In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan from Chase Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's get started. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the My Chase Loan option within the website or app. Upon selecting it, you'll need to specify the loan amount you require. The minimum request is $500. After requesting your desired amount, the app will present you with the various payment options for that sum. Choose the one that aligns best with your needs. You'll be able to view the loan duration, interest rate, and monthly payment. After selecting your preferred option, you'll need to confirm the destination account for the funds. You can have the funds deposited directly into the account of your choice, and it typically takes just 1 to 2 business days to process. At this point, review all the details carefully, and once you have gone through the entire process within the app or website and received the approval, your funds will be on their way to the chosen bank account. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.